Sari, come out to the kitchen quick. Tay,
Huh?
come out to the kitchen. We want to show you something.
Okay.
We got a surprise.
Alright.
What does it say?
Is it?
No, this is not a joke.
Oh, really?
Let's go!
Let's go! All right, so you know we've been talking about going to Korea again, and we went there for a month in the winter.
I don't think I can handle
The winter,
winter,
it was
like
pretty, it was rough. But the kids want to live there full time, and we need to figure out if they can handle it. I was thinking we go for 2 months. What do you think?
So, are you thinking into October, the end of September?
I'm thinking leave in a couple weeks
Wow,
after American Thanksgiving, like come back like November 28th or something.
okay, I'm down.
You're down?
Yeah.
All right, so let's just see how much the tickets will cost. Anyway,
Yeah.
so let's see. It's gonna be let's do this. We'll have to rent an apartment. Not bad.
Yeah.
For all 4 of us, only like $2,000 one way.
I mean, we were paying that coming home almost.
Yeah. Okay. So that's a good deal.
Yeah.
All right,
Let's do that.
I'm gonna book it.
Are we?
Okay. Let's do it.
Go.
Boom. Can you handle 2 months?
Yeah, I can do it.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You're gonna have to eat lots of tonkatsu since that's my favorite. Lots of Korean barbecue since that's Taylor's favorite. Sarah, you're gonna have to learn to eat jampong because Sarah loves jampong.
Okay.
That's the black noodle, right? That looks like,
I haven't tried it.
yeah, you're gonna have to try it because Sarah loves jampong. All right, I'm gonna book this then.
Should we tell them first or just book it and then tell them?
Book it and tell them because they will not care. They'll be happy either way.
Okay.
All right. All right, we're gonna walk back and get Sari and Taylor out of their rooms so that they can see what we booked. Sari, are you in here? Hello. 안녕하세요. Hey, we want to show you something. Come out to the kitchen quick. Hi, Darla. Hi, Darla.
What is it?
It's a secret. Secret. Taylor. Tay. Where are you?
Huh?
Come out to the kitchen. We want to show you something.
Okay.
We got a surprise.
Alright.
We want you to look at this. What does it say?
Is it Los Angeles to
September
Seoul Incheon
20th?
International Airport?
September 20th.
You guys booked them?
Booked it.
Booked it.
Wait, we're
2
actually
months.
going.
2 months in
No,
Korea.
we're actually going. This isn't just like.
No, this is not a joke.
Oh, really?
We're going. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
2 months.
2 months?
2 months?
Yeah.
It's gonna be crazy. I'm super excited now. Got me pumped up. Got me pumped up right now.
Let's go. Jeez, that's soon.
Oh, Darla's excited.
Yeah.
Darla's excited.
Darla, Korea.
Darla, you're gonna go too. Darla, you're gonna be a Korean dog.
Oh, that's true.
I'm
Yeah.
taking
She didn't go last time. Wow. She's gonna be international now.
Yeah.
That's pretty awesome. She's gonna be bring all the gear.
Bring all the
Yeah.
music gear.
Music there. What are?
All right, so we probably need to start packing.
Yeah, how many days away? It's the 8th.
Super close.
Yeah, we don't have a lot of time.
It's gonna be a lot to pack then.
Taylor.
Thinking about how much I have to pack now.
I want to do it. I just want to do it now.
All right, we're gonna go into Sari's room first, see what she's packing, see what she thinks about Korea and what she wants to do. I thought you'd think this is interesting. Probably the greatest of all time. 사랑하기 때문에. This is Sari's room. That's Yujae-ha. Do you guys know who this is? This is one of Sari's really good friends, Jun Young-lok. And here's Sari.
Packing already.
You're packing already.
Yes.
You must be excited.
I'm so excited.
And then we got in Sari's room, we got Phantom of the Opera and, of course, the great BTS.
Of course.
Of course.
Hey, you gotta look. Look, I have the New Jeans Bag album,
Oh,
and my friend gave me the Seagulls album.
look at this. And then Sari's a break dancer, so she has a Planet B-Boy poster.
You want to bring this?
Yeah, it's really cute. I remember
So you've got 2 months. What are you hoping to do there for 2 months? Like if you could do some fun things, what would you want to do?
one of the things I really want to do is I want to battle with Flo XL. I think that would be super fun.
The
Oh my
goat.
gosh, I can't imagine battling with them. That would be so cool.
This is for like a breakdance
Like a
battle.
breaking battle, yeah.
Actually, really cute.
Yeah.
What's that coat?
Oh, this coat? I thought it's like the perfect material for fall going into winter. So
Yeah,
I
that's
could
cute.
bring it because it's not too warm, but it's warm enough.
Oh, I love it.
It's nice.
So I think I'm gonna bring this. I definitely want to do some sort of performance when we're there, whether that's busking or.
What foods are you excited to eat? Since I know you love Korean food.
Gosh, I'm really like looking forward to eating 옥수수 ice cream, like that corn ice cream. I dream about.
옥수수 ice cream?
Yeah, 옥수수 ice cream. I love it, and they don't sell it in America. Dad, what are you doing?
Oh, she has to bring her?
Oh yeah, look, Darla. She's got little booties, and she's got a little pajama. We're gonna break her.
These are Darla's clothes.
These are Darla's clothes. She's gotta be prepared.
What do you think, Darla?
Say, what if you prepared?
Jajangmyeon.
I knew it.
What else? Korean barbecue, of course. That one kimchi jjigae house that we always go to when we go there.
With the tejikabi?
Like a tejikabi, yeah.
Oh
I
yeah.
really want to eat that. There's so much. I just want to go to a convenience store again. Like last time after Flo XL practice, we went to the 7-Eleven and we got like ramen and the grape drink, and that was so much fun. So I just want to do that again too.
Darla, what are you doing?
She's
What's in there?
Sarah, this could be really cute too. It's like a sweatshirt.
Oh, that looks cool.
Now, what do you think about going there when it's not winter time?
Oh, I'm excited. We went there. When did we go? April.
Well, we went December, all of December
All of
last
December
year.
last year. And then
2
this
weeks
year-
in April.
2 weeks in April, and it was like completely different because you could walk around
Yeah.
without being frozen.
You're gonna love it this time. If you see video, the old videos of us walking there in winter, we're all bundled up. You know, we have 2 months, so we can do.
I'd like to see some.
Oh, you got to go to Gwanghwa Moon with us. It's so beautiful, especially in the fall. It's gonna be
I'm excited.
unbelievable.
That would be super fun.
Darla, you're not gonna go in there.
You guys going there?
She wants to be.
We can't take you like that to Korea, Darla.
Oh, she's right.
She...
Good girl.
Good girl. I don't have a treat. I don't have a treat.
How about Bobo? How about Bobo?
Me? Bobo. Bobo. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Good girl. She speaks Korean. You speak Korean already? You prepared.
All right, we're gonna go into Taylor's room. So, Taylor, as you know, is a musician too. So he's got his studio here. It's kind of cool. T-Dog,
What's up?
what's up, buddy?
Nothing much, just getting it going, you know?
Oh,
Starting to pack.
what do you think?
I mean, I'm really excited. I'm kind of nervous for 2 months, but I'm super excited because I think it's gonna be an adventure because it's 2 months and I've never lived outside of the United States for that long before. I mean, the last time was a month. It wasn't even a month really. It was like 3 weeks, and that was, you know, some of the most fun I've had.
Yeah, so you were there for 3 weeks. Sarah and I were there for 4.5 weeks.
Yeah, you guys were there like a week and a half longer because Sari was filming. So then we flew out alone and then met up with you guys.
Yeah.
So,
And into.
yep.
What do you want to do while you're there?
I really want to busk
Where?
in Hongdae.
Hongdae.
Yeah.
We've watched tons of videos of busking in Hongdae. Right?
Yeah. Yeah, and we saw a little bit of it there. Maybe not as much busking, but like performing.
Oh, that's right.
It was winter though. I'm really excited to just try to busk and stuff. I have a performance tomorrow, so it's almost like a practice for Hongdae, you know?
For Hongdae. What are you gonna pack here then?
You know this right here, right?
This is
the suit.
the suit you got made in Korea, right?
Yeah, this is the suit I got made in Korea. It's tailored to me. It's the first tailored suit I ever got.
Yeah, that's
So
awesome.
that was kind of a big deal.
Darla came in here now too. Darla, what are you doing? What are you looking for? Causing trouble? Jagga jaggy? Then you got your basic t-shirts.
Yeah, you know me, I love my basic white tees and black tees, so I brought my white tee, a couple black tees, a lot of black tees. Oh yeah, this thing's awesome. Look at this. Look at this guitar. See, it's mini.
What about your studio in here? We're gonna have to bring some of this.
Yeah, a lot.
Well, why don't you keep packing and then we'll show them a little music that you might be doing.
Let's do it.
Does that sound fun?
Yeah.
Okay,
All right, see you in a little bit.
groovy. Whoa. All right.
I'll turn it down.
We're gonna just show you like if we get lucky and we can busk in Hongdae. This is kind of what Taylor will do.
This? So we have like the bass right here, which is the guitar, right? It's the bass for the song. And then I come in with the little drums like this. Back in with this. And yeah, that's pretty much the gist.
That's cool.
Yeah.
So you have a bunch of songs you do like that? Like if we busk in Hongdae, you can do a bunch of that.
Oh yeah, yeah, I have a bunch.
All right, why don't we show them what we do as a family?
Okay,
Okay.
let's do it.
All right.
Last night when you left me, the thought came to my head. Your lips are peeling the
you guys in Korea.
See you in Korea.
See you in Korea. That's
you
what we're gonna
soon.
do.
Bye. See you in Korea.
Where's Darla? Say see you in Korea.